Hi friends, today we are going to solve dynamic array from the arrays section in data structure part of the practice problem in HackerRank platform. So the problem statement is given, this is basically we have to follow those steps. So it's kind of an easy problem, but again there are lots of steps to follow. So we will write. The first statement says that declare a two-dimensional arrays of m means of n empty arrays, and all the arrays are zero index. So basically you have to initialize a 2D array of empty values. So for 0 comma up to n, and you have to two-dimensional array. So first you need to initialize the array, and we will be appending those empty arrays inside this, and this length would be up to n. Once we have done this, we have to run a loop in queries part for each in. So there are two type of query. The first query is of query 1, in which this operation is specified. So if the first value of that query, means if the each 0 is equal to 1, and we also have to specify last answer. So it is 0, and we have to declare a integer and or a variable called last answer, and you have to initialize it with 0. This is okay. Once we have done that, we have to create a variable idx, and inside idx, so as you could see, it's 1xy. So the second value of that query, so to find the second value of that query would be each of 1, and then XOR operator. So in Python, this XOR operator is done with this exponential value, which is shift and 6. So you will get this value, and last answer, and then you have to find that modulo. So percentage n. Once we have done that, we have to append that value to integer value to array of idx, arr idx dot append, and again the value of y is basically array of 2, so it's the third value in that query. So each of 2. The first operation is done. Then we have the second condition, which is query 2. In query 2, we have to initialize idx. Again, x is each of 1, I guess, exponent last answer, and percentage n, which is modulo of n. Once we have done that, we have to assign the value of idx to last answer. So last answer would be idx, the value of y is each of 2, percentage length is the size of array.idx. So this is basically it, and we also have to send all those last answers as a return value, so we have to create another array called array x, which would be the return statement x dot append last. And once we have done that, we have to return I guess every spelling is correct. Let's run the code. Here the return statement is given. It is an int array and the result of each of type 2 where in the order in which they are presented. So it passed the public test cases. Now I have to pass all the private and public test cases, and it passed all the test cases successfully. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel, and please send me your feedback in the comment section so that I could improve on this. And this will generally motivate me to create more videos in this section and also to complete this entire data structure section. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.